Okay, so I'm going to use the Forex Simulator to go over looking for shorts on the SuperTrend strategy. What we're going to do, I'm just going to show you on this video the data center. I didn't show you that on the last one. So we open up the data center, and here you can download the tick data that you want to use. Right now we've got no tick data for the Euro USD. We've only got data for the Aussie, the Pound, the USD Swiss, USD Yen. So in the pull down menu on the new simulation, you're going to see just those pairs that we've got the tick data for. Okay, what we're going to use here for this example is the dollar Swiss. If you don't have it right up to the date, the current date, you can just hit update. It'll download the newest tick data. Okay, and then also for the economic events calendar, you can just hit update down here and bring everything up to date. Now we can go to the new simulation. We're going to go to our instrument pull down menu and use the dollar Swiss. And we're going to start our simulation here. We're going to go to February 2019, and we're going to go to the 14th. Change our spread to fixed. We're going to put it at 20 points, which is 2 pips. The initial history on the chart is 15 days back. That's fine. We're using the 1 hour and the 4 hour charts, so we're going to start. Now we need to get the charts, so we go to the Charts tab. And we're going to pull up the 4 hour standard chart, add that up above here. And now we're going to go and pull up the 1 hour chart. Now we're going to open up both charts. And we can close out this screen now. What we're going to do is minimize it, pull them side by side, since we're using a higher time frame and a lower time frame. And we're just going to put this in the lower corner here so it's out of our visual. Now for the higher time frame, we're going to put it on our template, SuperTrend higher time frame, and then do the same for the lower time frame. And now we're going to go to our indicator list on the lower time frame here, go to our trend report, double click. I'm going to turn the filter on so we're only getting higher highs, higher lows, lower highs. Those are the only signals we want for this strategy. You can see that we got the sound alert turned on. We've got our risk rewards turned on. And we got our filter for the higher high, higher lows, lower highs turned on. Hit OK. Close that out. We're going to set our lots a little bit larger here, 1 mini lot. We're going to click over to the pending orders. We don't want to take market orders. We only do buy stops and sell stops. So we're going to go over to our pending orders section. Distance in pips is going to be 3. Now we're not playing this. We're going to be doing bar by bar, but we don't want to go 4 hours at a time. We want to go 1 hour. So we're going to go over to the standard chart 1 hour. Now when we click on the next bar, it's going to skip it ahead 1 hour bar at a time. Okay, we're going to open up our trades tab here. This is the one where it shows us our history, our closed trades, our statistics, and our graph. We'll go over that again here at the end. Put that down below. And we'll start looking for buys. Our 4 hour chart is green. We're above our super trend, so we're going to be looking for buys on the 1 hour only. Start clicking it, wait till we get a signal. Looking for buys only still. Okay, so we came back here, we're on our entry, hit the buy stop. We're going to come down here and we're going to modify it because this isn't where our entry is. Going to put a yellow line on the chart. We just drag it up above our entry because we got to take into consideration the spread. Hit accept. Click on stop loss. Hit the visual move lines on chart and just drag our stop down. Do the same for the take profit. Scrunch our chart down a little bit so we can go for the 3 to 1. Accept. And we also want to do our break even at 16. $16 pips in profit. We want to set 2 pips. Okay, now we're just going to hit the next bar. We've got a reversal signal and we didn't get into the market, so we're going to delete this buy stop. Okay, so anytime we get a reversal signal and our buy stop, we're looking for buys and we get a reverse signal and we're not in the market, we just close that out and wait for the next signal. Okay, so we're just going to click again here. Now you can see that the 4-hour has turned red, so we're looking for shorts. So we're not going to take this trade because we only want shorts now. Wait for a short signal. Now we did get a sell signal here, but we don't want to take this one. And this is how I got the EA set up as well. I don't take trades based on these explosive candles. You can if you like. You just generally with these candles you got higher stop losses. Your risk is going to be a lot more. Usually, sometimes it's not. As of right now, you'd be looking at about 27, 30 pip stop. But your potential is a lot greater with that. So you just got to be careful. If you want to take those, go ahead. But I have my EA staying away from these explosive moves. Generally, these explosive moves, they pull back. So we'll keep going. Wait for another signal. We're still looking for shorts. Okay, so we get a sell signal here. We're going to put in our sell stop. And you can see that once we move and modify our stop here, it's right close to this target. So I'm only going to set the stop loss and the 3 to 1 target. I'm not going to put on the break even at the target because we're too close to it. Chances are it's going to hit this, bounce up, and stop us out. So in that case, if you're not going to do the 3 to 1 and the stop loss here, there's no point in taking the trade when it's this close to the target. Okay, so we're going to set our stop loss and our take profit only. Take into consideration the spread. That's about right. Take profit. Going to be 3 to 1. Accept. And now we're just going to go to the next bar here. Haven't gotten in the market yet. Okay, we got stopped out of this one. Still waiting for shorts. Okay, so here's our sell signal again. Hit the sell stop. Modify our line. Put in our stop. Put in our take profit. Accept. Same thing, it's too close to the target, so we're only going to put in our stop and our take profit. Now we're just going to go with it. Just got filled there. And you can see on this bar we came up just enough to take us out, and then it came down and hit the target. So wait for our next entry. Okay, same thing, another explosive candle. We're not going to take that move. We're still looking for shorts. No signals yet. And this one was close to getting a signal. We never got one. Still waiting for shorts. Okay, there's our sell signal here. Put in our stop. Modify it. Bring it up. Hit accept. Put our stop loss in. Accept. Again, we're too close to the target, so we're going to just put our 3 to 1 in. Accept. And now we're just going to go and see if we get into it. We just got triggered. Okay, we got stopped out again. Still looking for shorts. Haven't gotten a sell signal yet. Sell signal, but again, explosive candle. We're going to wait. Okay, now this one here, we're going to place our another sell. We're going to place our entry. Move our line up. Now we're going to set our stops and our take profit. Down to the 3 to 1. Accept. Now this one we can see we've got a bit of a move here to the first target. So we're going to hit our auto break even. 6 pips in profit. We're going to move it to 1. Accept. Now we're ready to go. Look at the next one here. Almost hit the first one, and then it bounced right down here and hit our target. Okay, so once again we can go over to our history, have a look at the trades, all the closed trades here, our P&L, look at the statistics, what our win rate is, have a look at our graph, and you can see we're just a little bit under where we started. Look at the statistics, number of closed trades were 4. We had 3 losses, 1 profitable trade, and we're almost at about a break even here. Total profit and loss is minus $4. So we're just going to go over taking the shorts again. As long as our higher time frame is red, we're going to be looking for shorts. We're going with a 3 to 1 risk reward, setting the break even at the first target unless it's too close to our entry and it's tight. Then we just do the stop loss in the 3 to 1 if you want to take that trade. Okay, so hope this all makes sense, and we'll talk to you guys later.